Hello, Papa. Good afternoon. Today is the 6th of March.
6th of March.
7th. 7th.
7th.
We have an unboxing to do. We waited, Papa, from his gardening to do that one.
Ayan na, sige.
Okay.
So I will open the
First one.
The first
first
one.
one.
Mm-mm.
The smallest box.
Smaller box.
Okay.
Kasi dalawa lang yan eh.
Okay. What did you do today, Papa?
I
25
can
minutes
smell
of
this. What's this? It's a face mask, Miss Siguro.
Smell?
You can smell already.
Yeah.
Face mask. Oh, there.
Wow.
Oh.
Nice, Andrew.
Good
Oh.
for 5 months. Ben, pa, how long before magamit yan pa? Approximately,
Depende kasi.
depende.
Depende sa paglabas ng tao.
Oh. I use my face mask several times.
No, dapat hindi rin.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Next.
Next.
Okay. Thanks,
Okay.
Papa, for that.
Okay.
I put it here pa paglagay ng kuan. Ng tawag yung kuan yung aston. Here. There. Okay. The other one.
Yan,
Ah.
careful yan kasi
Oh. Focus, day ako.
That's the replacement.
It's a big one. So, I saw the one
Nadagsan nga. Ano nga nadagsan? Patay, binagkat ko ma.
umiikot din ang alam niya.
Jinky.
Oh. Mamaya, I will tell you.
Inuray na dyan baba.
Well, ito na, gusto nga bumaba mga pinagatang ko kamatis.
Hmm. Ay.
umiiyak ng isa.
Ayan.
Si Chinilas na nga parawar. So nga sige, mga pagkami tumasip ito lang. Ha? Kumada?
Ay, hindi mo na rin siya nipan sa'yo. Hindi na pinag-uusapan natin na plano na ito. Samba. Baka gutom naman yon.
3:30 dapat, dapat ako na yun.
Alam niya?
Alam niya siya.
Dahil, may patimpla ka ba dyan ng gatas? Naririnig ko pa siya.
Nabubuisit lang siya.
Eh? Let's set this aside.
Pangit naman ang kapon nila.
Kaya nga.
Kanina ang Warren.
Ako ma.
Magagamit ka ba ng ganito dito?
Oo ma.
Kay kung siya na yun. Kay Dio.
Deo? Ni? Papada kami aminan.
Hindi, baka naman sa kanya.
Ang alam ko, gumamit siya dahil pinaliguan niya kahapon si
Gumamit ka ba, Andrew?
Kumamit ako ma. Isa.
Markaan niyo ah.
Ay, laki naman yun.
Remote ko yan.
Size mo, Andrew.
XL.
Ganun din siya. Warren. Yung size. Sa Warren lang. Gumamit ka ba? Yun ang question.
Yes, mama.
O baka yung kay Deo hindi pa tuyo. O baka hindi niya pinalaba dito.
Basa na siya.
Magado balkot na. Kaso nga eh.
Nagdede na siya, hindi pa.
Sana buhatin ni Mrs. Prangan kasi kay Mrs. Prangan yan.
Busy. Kurak-kurak.
Bukas ay dito po, wala daw si Rico. So, hindi ako nagising maaga ngayon. Pero yan ngayon. Sa bagay, kung wala tayo doon, Andrew, kung wala tayo doon, yung walang document kung anong meeting, okay lang din. Wow. Nice.
Ma, pwede mo bang picturean with the, ano?
Oh.
Yan.
Dapat
Dapat naghawak ni Papa.
Yeah, I will open the box.
Okay, okay.
It's not yet open.
the box.
You just
Oh.
saw what the
Na-excite lang.
judge by its cover.
Na-excite lang ako, Papa. Okay. Pwede na kaya magpainit si Mrs. P ng hotdog dyan? Yan ang tanong.
There's no kurente.
Kaya,
Ayun.
Lazada sale po namin nabili. Namating pa ng maaga. Mukhang legit brand new. 10 liters. Papa, tagayan mo 10 liters nga box. Okay.
Mama, I'm gonna push it from below. There. Pull the box, Mama.
Okay, teamwork si Mama. Teamwork si Mrs. P. Tsaka si Engineer.
Oh.
Na.
Ayan na.
Oh. There's a pan there.
Mrs. P wanted a red one, so we got her a red one.
Yeah.
Oh. The pan is here. The instruction manual should be kept.
I think it's as big as the old one, Mama.
Okay, I'm going to...
Parang mas flat siya. Mas flat siya kaya sa yung ano.
Mas pandak, ibig mo sabihin.
Pandak, oo. But we cannot complain.
Can we see it, Mama, from ano?
Ganda ng pagka-red.
Yeah. Oh.
Mas pandak siya. Kaya lang,
Mas mahaba ba siya,
mas
Mama?
square yan.
Square so.
Yun kwan
Oh, and then on the pan like that.
Mas deeper ata, Mama.
Oo, deeper siya. Ayun. At paano yung first use? Do we need to wash something? Wash it first, ano? Basahin ko yung nakalagay dito.
There's a manual here, Mama.
Pwede mag-roast ng chicken, cookies. Serve only the best. Bread. Pizza. Si Sarah Geronimo at saka si Vic Soto pala ang Hanabishi endorsers.
Okay.
Cookies, quartz, tube, heating elements, top and bottom, 2 knobs, time and temperature. Oven toaster talaga.
Oh. Before using the unit for the first time, heat the empty oven.
Okay.
Insert the tray and baking net.
Baking net.
Net, ano naman?
Ay, pinet na dito eh. Baking. Ito siguro. Ay,
Oo, ayan, Ma.
maka-insert na naman. And then,
I'm just looking for the baking net here.
net the
Okay. Set the temperature control dial to 250 degrees. 250. And heat the empty oven for about 10 minutes. Okay. Note, there may be some smoke and a burning smell at first, but this is not a malfunction. Temperature control dial. Set the temperature control dial for the dishes which you are going to cook. Yeah. When cleaning, wash the interior and exterior surface, tray, net or food fork with soft cotton or sponge, deep and neutral cleaner. Then wash with clean water. Do not use hard brush or any other to wash, so as not to scrape the interior surface of the oven. The protector of the tray, the net, and the food fork.
Food, nasan kaya yun?
This is the name food fork.
Saan?
Yan, yung tray siguro na yan. Kasi food fork, wala na. Food tray.
Food tray siya. Grill rack yung nasa baba. Ngayon yung, okay. Ano nasa yung binabasa mo kanina na merong fork ba?
Then later I'm going to put this upstairs.
Okay.
We'll keep that.
Wala na kayang laman yun? Food fork. Food fork, wala.
Wala na.
Okay na.
Complete mat.
Okay, Momsicles.
Ito yung double pan.
Itago natin itong pan.
Oo. Kaya tanggalin dito.
I'll take charge of this.
Okay.
I have
Mama and Papa,
Oh,
look at the camera, Mama.
Oh,
Papa.
that's
Any initial thoughts about the Hanabishi, Papa?
well.
Is it bigger than the previous one we have, or?
It is flatter.
Flatter, I mean, it's lower yung height niya.
well, that the old one is older than you. I
Ayan.
think it was a gift from your Lola during the first time, our first year.
Ayan.
I can remember, yeah.
Oh, talaga ah.
And then
So
we're,
that was in 1984.
1984 pa.
Yeah.
wow. Sana tumagal din ng ganyang katagal yung,
Oh.
ano.
Ngayon ang hinahanap ko yung fork at surface.
Forks
Okay.
there in the kitchen.
Hindi iba yung food fork eh.
Okay, thank you very much, Mama, for the video. Content
Nasaan
lang.
yung kwan?